Good day, mate. Water. A little bit of water. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. You already know, full effect. KARD without you. It's been a minute. Anyways, I'm excited to check this out. Is that fake water? Guys, check out the links in the description down below. Go check it all out. And yeah, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Yo, pause. Anyways, KARD without you. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Ooh, we still in the choco field. Ooh, what are you wearing? Okay, Miss Ma'am, got the braid on. My space. Ooh, okay. Let's go, Jiwoo. You in pain? From what? Oh, you got that beach dress on. You know what I'm talking about? For like swimsuits? Duh. No one can replace me, you know what I'm saying? Sorry. She looks so over me. Look at her face like, boy, bye. Anyways. Ooh. Okay, KARD. Never gonna make you fall through. Gonna catch you in the air like I. Ooh. Okay, spin around, BM. I miss KARD, low key. High key. Everybody slaying. J-Sif, BM, Jiwoo, Somin. We already know. Down. What I do? Wait, hold up. Right? They try to get out in the way. Get up. What you say? Wait, whoa. You like it when I go down? What you mean though? Hey, yo. What's up, Jason? Uh-huh. Better get that itch, bro. I like the drop in this one. I mean, it might, I don't know, maybe some other people think, like, oh, it's not as exciting, but like, I like the subtle drop. Woo, that part right there. Oh, the makeup, the accessories. I was gonna say I do, but then you know what? I already said I do.
I can't live without
what?
Of any doubt. Truth can hurt deeply in love with the pain. Yeah, girl, dirty and cane. No less than roll with you is how I remain. Journey escape, that's what you do rain. Don't yell at your baby, I'll guard and protect. The key to your heart will be safely kept.
Really?
Right is my only intent.
Let's go, Big Matthew. What's poppin'? What can I? Ooh, okay, Foco. Bro, Jiwoo's makeup is fire. Oh my god. Everybody. Hey, the hair, a little wet hair with them piercings on. You know, BM be killing them like the modeling scene. Ooh, yes. With that post-production leaves right there, right? With some post-production leaves. Live without what? KARD always keeps in the same like genre feel. Like they change it up a little bit here and there, but they always keep it. They keep it safe to the point where like it's still like it feels nostalgic to like when we first heard KARD. What was the? Hold up. KARD debut was 2016. Wow. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Almost. Oh wow. 7 years. Let's go. They bring them Latin sounds. You already know. With some EDM in the mix. Shout out to everybody in KARD. They're always a good time. Shout out to KARD. Keep doing your thing. We'll be supporting you. As a group and individually. Put a comment down below what you guys think of KARD's Without You. But come back, we finally got one, girl. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.